welcome, you're watching NewsX and I'm Shivani Singh. Today, I take you behind the scenes of a game-changing test by the Defense Research and Development Organization, or the DRDO. This is a high-speed rocket sledge ejection test that could dramatically boost pilot safety and accelerate India's push for self-reliance in aerospace tech. For those of you into tech or aviation, this is India leveling up. Think ejection seats, rocket sleds, futuristic escape mechanisms, stuff worth bookmarking for your feed. On December the 2nd, at the rocket sledge facility of Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory in Chandigarh, DRDO fired off a controlled test simulating a fighter jet flying at 800 km per hour and validated a full escape sequence for the aircrew. So what exactly happened? They attached the forebody of a fighter jet, think cockpit plus the front, based on the light combat aircraft Tejas, onto a dual sledge system. Then they used multiple rocket motors to shoot that sledge along rails at precisely 800 km per hour. Once at speed, the whole emergency escape mechanism got triggered. The canopy shattered, the ejection seat popped, and the pilot, which was an instrumented test dummy, was ejected and safely recovered. Now, high-speed aerodynamic loads and real-world stress. This wasn't a slow, static safety check. This was dynamic and had aerodynamic loads something similar to what would happen if a real pilot had to bail out at full throttle, and the system passed. So why does this matter? Firstly, pilot safety. During the test dummy was used to simulate the pilot, recording critical data including loads, moments, and accelerations that a crew member would experience during a live ejection. Second, strategic independence. Previously, many advanced ejection seat and escape system technologies were imported. With this test, India joins a small group of nations that have advanced in-house capability to test fighter jet escape systems. Third, future-proofing upcoming jets. As we move towards newer variants of Tejas and future indigenous aircraft, this success could allow use of domestically developed systems and cutting dependence on external suppliers. Now finally, this isn't just about jets. The same test infrastructure can be used for other aerospace safety or research work. This expands what India can do in-house. Now, the successful demonstration was a collaborative effort involving the DRDO, the Aeronautical Development Agency, and the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Officials from the Indian Air Force, the Institute of Aerospace Medicine, and certification authorities were also present to witness the trial. So what's next in this test? First up, expect more tests at different speeds, altitudes, perhaps even with live ejection seats as opposed to just dummies. Real-world certification won't come overnight. Also, if the tests go well, we could see this escape system integrated into upcoming upgrades of the Tejas like the Mk2 or beyond, or even future jets. That's a big leap, but let's keep it real. Engineering this is one thing. Operational rollout, maintenance, training, that's another. Systems must be certified and pilots must be trained. Emergency protocols must also be updated. But one must remember, this is what Make in India, along with cutting-edge aerospace tech and pilot safety looks like. It's not sci-fi, it's real and it's happening now. So there you have it, a high-speed rocket sledge test, a successful escape system validation, and a milestone for pilot safety and aerospace autonomy.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.